The world of aerial cinematography and professional drone photography is bracing itself for a game-changing release from DJI, the renowned leader in innovative drone technology. Rumors surrounding the highly anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro have been exciting, promising a cinematic masterpiece that will redefine the boundaries of what is possible with a consumer-grade drone. So what are these upgrades? Let's dive right into it. So, DJI Mavic 4 Pro's rumored capabilities lie in its camera system, which has always been the centerpiece of the Mavic series. According to industry insiders, the Mavic 4 Pro could feature an 8K resolution sensor, allowing for unprecedented levels of detail and clarity in aerial footage. With 8K rapidly becoming the new standard for premium video capture, this upgrade would position the Mavic 4 Pro as a true cinematic powerhouse, enabling filmmakers to capture breathtaking visuals with unparalleled sharpness and vibrancy. But the Mavic 4 Pro's rumored advancements don't stop at video capabilities. Reports indicate that DJI might equip the drone with a 48-megapixel main camera sensor, similar to the one found in the recently released DJI Air 3. This upgrade would significantly improve upon the 20-megapixel sensor in the Mavic 3, allowing photographers to capture stunning aerial shots with incredible detail and resolution, further expanding the creative possibilities of drone photography. Another highly anticipated feature of the Mavic 4 Pro is its rumored extended battery life and flight time. Speculation suggests that the drone could surpass the 50-minute mark, a significant leap from the current Mavic 3's flight time. This extended flight time would not only provide more operational freedom, but also cater to the demands of cinematographers and photographers, who often need to capture multiple takes or shots from various angles, without the need for frequent battery swaps. Reliable and long-range connectivity is essential for professional drone operations, ensuring seamless control and real-time video feedback. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is expected to feature OcuSync 4, the latest iteration of DJI's transmission technology, enabling a staggering 25 kilometers range for transmitting 1080p video. This extended range would significantly upgrade from the Mavic 3's 15 kilometers range, opening up new possibilities for applications such as search and rescue operations, large-scale surveying, and even long-distance filmmaking. While the Mavic 4 Pro's rumored features are undoubtedly impressive, its release date remains a topic of intense speculation. Industry insiders suggest that the highly anticipated drone may not hit the market until late 2024 or early 2025, aligning with DJI's typical 2-year research and development cycle for its flagship Mavic series. However, regular leaks from credible sources like NG Drones may indicate a strategic approach by DJI to maintain market excitement and anticipation, suggesting an imminent release. As for pricing, the Mavic 4 Pro is expected to command a premium price tag, reflecting its cutting-edge technology and professional-grade capabilities. However, given DJI's commitment to delivering exceptional value, the drone is likely to be competitively priced within its segment, catering to both professional and enthusiast segments. All in all, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a true game-changer in the world of aerial cinematography and professional drone photography. With rumored features such as 8K video recording, a significantly improved telephoto lens, extended battery life, and enhanced transmission range, the Mavic 4 Pro promises to redefine the boundaries of what is possible with a consumer-grade drone, solidifying DJI's position as a leader in the ever-evolving drone industry. Now, regardless of the final details, one thing is certain: the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is poised to set a new standard for aerial imaging and push the limits of what can be achieved with a drone, further cementing DJI's reputation for innovation and technological excellence. Thanks for watching.